Hello my dear students and viewers, welcome to my channel. This video we are going to discuss the syllabus of 2022 of class 8th. The part is geography, chapter name is Hydrosphere. First main is fill in the blanks with suitable words. The average depth of the continental shelf is 100 fathom. 1 fathom is equal to 6 feet. The deepest place in the Pacific Ocean is the Challenger Deep. The average salinity of the ocean water is 35 ppt. Spring tides occur during full moon. Next main is answer the following questions. First question is what is hydrosphere? About 71% of the total area of the earth or 361 million square kilometers covered by water. The major water bodies of the world are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Next, seventh question is mention the four major parts of the ocean floor. The four major parts of the ocean floor are as follows: continental shelf, the continental slope, the deep sea plain, and the ocean deeps. Next question is state the differences between the ocean currents and the tide. Ocean currents. The ocean currents are the regular movement of ocean water from one region to another. They are the two types of ocean current, warm currents and the cold currents. Next one is tides. Tides are the periodic rise and fall in the sea or ocean level. They occur due to the gravitational attraction of the moon, the sun, rotation of the earth and the centrifugal force of the earth. State the differences between the spring tide and the neap tide. Spring tide. Spring tides takes place when the earth, the moon and the sun are in the same straight line. Example, new moon and the full moon. When the spring tides takes place, high tides are the highest and low tides are the lowest. Next one is a neap tide. Neap tide occurs on the first quarter and the last quarter days in the phase of the moon. During the neap tides, the sun and the earth are in the same straight line and moon is in a right angle to the earth. Next question is how can we conserve the oceans? The following are the important methods of conservation of oceans. First one is oil transportation should be done through pipelines. Nuclear waste should not be dumped into the sea or ocean. Petrochemical industries in the coastal regions must avoid dumping effluents in the sea or ocean. Dumping of any waste near the ports and harbors must be controlled. Ore deposition and mineral exploitation along the coast must be controlled. Next mean is define the following. Continental shelf. First one. It is the shallow area along the sea coast. It is bordered by the sea coast and continental slope. The average depth of the continental depth is 100 fathom. This is very important for fishing, aquaculture, navigation and extraction of the mineral. Next question is salinity. Salinity is the percentage of salt dissolved in the sea or ocean water. The average salinity of the ocean water is 35 ppt. The salinity of the ocean water is very high near the tropics and it is very low near the poles. Next one is warm and the cold currents. These currents originate and flow from the equatorial regions to the subpolar regions. These currents originate in the polar regions and flow towards the equatorial region. Next one, high tide and the low tide. High tide is also known as a flood tide and low tide is also called as a ebb tide. On the water bodies of the earth, there are alternate high tides and the low tide. Benguela current. Benguela currents are the cold currents of the South Atlantic Ocean. They flow from the South Polar region to the equatorial region. Tides. Tides are the periodic rise and fall in the sea or ocean level. They occur due to the gravitational attraction by the moon, gravitational force by the sun, rotation and the centrifugal force of the earth. Tides are helpful to the entry of the lost ships to the harbor. They clean up the coastal area. They are helpful to produce electricity. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.